Hi, this is Greg Sain with the Options Power Team, DominateBinaryOptions.com. And it's 5:07 p.m. on the 2nd of September. Trading is closed for today in the U.S. market. So I just wanted to make this video because I've had some people who obviously have an issue with simplicity. Let's look at the facts, folks. Even though how I teach, train, and support my team is coming from a very simplistic approach, there's a lot that goes into that. Let me explain. First of all, binary options trading is not rocket science. Let's start there. It's not rocket science. However, there is a lot that goes into it that you have to take into consideration when you're making trades. Let me give you an example. I've already set my parameters for my trade day tomorrow. This was the high for today. 14.809, I think it is. This is the low from today. 14.426. All right. Now, that's what I'm trading on. When I get up in the morning, or when I hear an alert, I'm going to look at this page. For silver, yes, silver. I've even had people say, well, of course you can trade on silvers. That's a very predictable. Yeah, hello. It's part of the 4 pillars of binary option success. Yeah, the 4 pillars of binary option success. Pillar number 1, money management. Number 2, risk management. Number 3, market predictability. Number 4, emotional neutrality. You don't get to 4 unless you do 1, 2, and 3. And the 4 pillars of binary option success is the cornerstone of the 100% profit system. Not NetDania, not the indicator, which by the way is free when you join my team, but notice, what do I have in my indicator? Silver and gold. Why? Because they're both monetary commodities that perform basically the same way every day. If you'll notice, silver today went down, then it shot up. And typically what it does is shoot down like that and stay down for the rest of the day. But then it went down again and shot back up and then got back to normal equilibrium. Why? Because silver costs 14 bucks an ounce. That's why, folks. Because silver is $15 or less an ounce. Gold, 1,136 bucks. Right now is 1,133, but that's 1,000 bucks an ounce. How many gold futures can you buy? Not very many, can you? So when you make your decision, that decision is made for the day, or the week, or the month. Now the market makers, they start here and they start buying in the morning. And then it shoots up. And as soon as it gets up here to where they want it to go, they start selling. As soon as they start selling, it starts dropping. What do the average guy do? Okay, let's look like this. The market makers. The market makers are guys who have billions of dollars to trade. They own hedge funds, things of that nature. They buy here. When they start buying, it starts shooting up. When it gets to about right there, that's when the lower level market makers jump in. When they jump in, it shoots up again. It starts making a little bit of a dip because some people get right here and say, okay, I think I've made enough money, and they sell. All right, then it drops down a little bit. Then the market makers say, nope, we can't let it drop yet, so they buy more, and they get it to here. Once they get it to here, then it starts plummeting for the rest of the day. Here's where the average guy gets in. The average guy gets in here and starts selling in here. So he's coming in high and selling low. The opposite of how you make money. Silver can fluctuate more because it's cheap. It's 15 bucks an ounce. All right? Free lesson. Didn't cost you a dime. Next. NetDania, you can set an alert. I set 2 alerts, the bottom and the top. I'm going to take 2 trades tomorrow. Unless it hits this alert and goes higher, or hits this alert and goes lower. At that point, I'm going to use the binary options equalizer to fix it. Just like today, I made a $500 trade. That actually won, but I did a preemptive strike and set it to lose and made a $1,625 trade and won. I haven't lost money in weeks. Why? Because I use the 4 pillars of binary option success, which is the cornerstone of the 100% profit system. How can I claim 100% profits? Only when you use the system. Simple. How can I claim to be McDonald's? Because I got McDonald's system. Simple, folks. It ain't that difficult. It's really not. So, with that being said, I just wanted to make a comment, wanted to make a video about the 4 pillars, which is the cornerstone of how I do what I do. Because you can take my trades all day. You can take my signals. I give free signals every day in my group. All right? You can take my signals. You can have my indicator, which is free when you have the binary options equalizer. But you know what? This is useless to you if you don't follow a disciplined system. It's useless. That's what the brokers are counting on. They're counting on you not having a system. When you don't have a system, when you don't have discipline, you may as well be sitting at a slot machine in Vegas. Point blank, period. So, where do you get that system? You get it from me. Now, you can get one anywhere you want. But if you want mine, you have to be in this, the options equalizer. How do you get the options equalizer? You click that button. Yeah, that one. Simple. And once you do that, I know it. Once you get started, I know it. I'm going to put you in all of our teams. I'm going to give you the indicator for free. And we're going to go about the business of making money every day. You want to be right all the time? Then be right. But if you want to make money every day, you know what to do. And with that said, as always in parting, peace and power.